Here's a YouTube video script for your topic. Movie camera, English practice for everyone, speak English confidently, clapperboard intro hand waving. Hello everyone, welcome to our English practice video. Today, we are going to practice speaking English confidently. Whether you are a student, a beginner, or just want to improve your English, this video is for you. Speaking Head Part 1 Daily Use Sentences. Host. Let's start with some simple daily use sentences. Repeat after me. Down finger. 1. I wake up early in the morning. 2. I brush my teeth and take a bath. 3. I go to work, or school, every day. 4. I love learning new things. 5. I speak English with confidence. Very good. Practice these sentences every day. Speech Balloon Part 2 Common Conversations. Now let's practice a short conversation. A. Hello, how are you? B. I'm fine, thank you. What about you? A. I'm doing great. Where are you going? B. I'm going to the market. Simple, right? Try speaking like this with your friends or family. Glowing Star Part 3 Confidence Tips. To speak English confidently. 1. Practice every day. 2. Don't be afraid of mistakes. 3. Think in English. 4. Listen and repeat after English speakers. Bullseye ending. Keep practicing and you'll speak English fluently soon. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, bell, and comment your favorite sentence below.